Timer for 30 minutes. Hello and welcome back to another incredibly low production value screencast. Doing different kind of work right now as I am doing some kind of organization work here. Getting together some stuff on ADRs, which are any design records. And let's see, was that really on 1017? That's the wrong one. 5 days ago, 1016. Yeah, close enough. So just adding some links during stand-up and in Slack. Yep. Commit changes. Blah. Okay. So that'll show in the thingy-majigger. You see what those look like? I guess not. What it actually looks like, so that's great. And then I was creating new. Let me see if Chrome isn't so jumpy. It's a little annoying to deal with. I don't want to set it as my default browser. Let's see, open bookmarks, great. No idea what my password is, so I've got to pause. And we are now resumed. You can't see my passwords. Haha. Okay. Let's see here. So, what are we doing? We're going to get rid of Zoom. Don't need it. I'm going to minimize Slack at least. Accounts, feature refactoring. Let's see. Yeah, I wanted them to do a little bit. I wanted Claude to do a little bit of refactoring here. Let's see. How do I cancel chat? Command Shift backspace. Okay. Sorry. What I want you to do is actually include all of the context in every single issue. So a user doesn't have to look around different issues and all the context they need is in one. So I like what you put forth in the guidance on file creation, and if you could just include that in each issue for conversations, groups, etc., etc. And let's not title these refactoring, let's call it reorganization. Thank you so much. Sorry for my confusion. Always be nice to the AI. There we go. Okay, so this is what we want. And we'll start grabbing these. Go all the way down. Go all the way down. Okay. Conversations. Okay. So then we wanted to go to issues here. And we wanted to go to things that were closed. Feature. Work. Let's see, the author is going to be Alex. It's fun because all this is open source. File organization. I'm going to open this. Okay. And then accounts feature. Let's do conversations feature. Reorganization. Create task. Nope. That's kind of a pain in the ass. Okay, and then plop in here. Okay, so that's still a pain in the ass. No worries at all. No worries at all. Conversations feature. Let's just make sure this looks right. Okay. Great. No, I don't want to choose. Groups feature. Copy this. Transactions feature. Profiles feature should be accounts, so I'm going to skip that. Search feature. Notification feature. Okay, looks like those are good. Now in here, we'll go into here and click in there. And then we just need to edit this. Organization. And then go back. Add item to tasks. So 1048. 1049. 1050. 1051. Dang it. Indented tasks, an empty task, and any empty new lines before. Shit. Duplicate issues, it said. All right, there we go. So is it this one? Yep, allow it. That's Pop Clip, by the way. Great tool. Packaged by Feature Proposal. Okay, cool. Nope. Gosh darn it. Gosh darn it, don't you know? That was working fine. Entity task. Is coming. An empty task. Any empty new lines before or after? My goodness. Okay. This is in progress. New issue, that's done. All right. So then we're just going to type up something to the team. Let's write up a message to the team in Slack and just tell them that we have put together a collection of issues for reorganizing features and have an example up. Please encourage that if a team member is making a heavy refactor on a piece of functionality to please first reorganize the files into their features directory, ensuring the updates are updated correctly, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions to Alex or I. Myself or Alex. Again, we want to reiterate that we want to move the files first in one PR and then in a separate PR actually perform the addition or removal of certain functionality. Thank you so much. Keep the message casual. Include the links. What does Google Lens do here? This is a decent first start, but can you please note that this is based off of the ADR that we agreed to last week to just provide continual context? And also, can you please ask that team members assign themselves to the issue and or create a new issue similar to one of the issues in the task list so that we can keep track of this work easily in one centralized location? All right. right, all right, all right. ADR we put together last week. Let's link the ADR. We like links of things, people. We like links of things. Closed. Me, not very many. Packaged by feature ADR. Copy link address. 38 comments. Love that. We put together a list of features. Check out the pull requests. Here's check the example. I want the file in there. Give me the file. Give me the file. Give me the file. Let's see. Actually, we'll just go to the code. Cool. Oops, that link is broke. Boom. Existing task list. Collection of issues. Now, hopefully. Oh yeah, that's a bug in GitHub. Hopefully, I can edit this and plop it in Slack. Easy peasy. Nice. This time with Command-Shift-F. Alright, looks like that works. Alright, that stuff works. Now assign yourself to the task list. Cool. Alright, so that's all underway. Okay, great. So, what do we got here? Oh, that's just me making noise. Alright, so now I can get back to fun work. We're going to end this recording. Let's see, what video are we on? Channel content. We are on 9. Draft. Why is it draft? I don't want it to be draft. Oh, look at that viewership. Hell yeah. Next. Public. Publish. Yay. Alright, number 9. Create. And then bye-bye. See you in 10 or 11